Well folks, good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Not a happy day. I'm going down to Paul's funeral. It was a bit of a surprise when I found out that he'd passed away. I don't know. But anyhow, we're going down to meet the people at the dealership, and we're going to his funeral. So not sure what the weather's going to be like today. Like, I mean, it's saying it's not going to rain. Well, you wouldn't think so looking at the sky at the moment, like, but never mind. Right, folks, we're going to crack on. Hopefully. I'm well wrapped up, like I'm like a bloody Michelin man. Yeah, like I've even got a heated vest on as well, like, but it's been cold here. I mean, we've had some really bad frosts. I mean, I think it got down. I think it probably got. It said it was getting down to 0 last night, but I think it was probably got down to about 1. I don't think it froze last night, but the night before was -4. It was flipping. Waiting up to winter wonderland because everywhere was white with the frost, like. Well, the heated jacket's definitely, I've got it on the lowest setting and I can feel it, I definitely feel it, like, which is very nice. Bloody roadworks everywhere, just come through some more bloody roadworks there. I wasn't intending recording much of this today, like, with it being Paul's funeral, like, I'm sure somebody will be recording, because somebody asked for recording of the funeral, but it's no good one person in the pack like me recording it, because all you're seeing is the people in front of you. You're not seeing anybody behind you, if you know what I mean. It's different when you're out solo riding, like I do quite a bit of the time, most of the time really, I suppose, because you're out, you're sightseeing and what have you, but you're by yourself, so you're not recording a ride out or something like that, if you know what I mean. Early days used to bring them in the ride outside. If you're recording it, I used to move from the back to the front and then just let them come past me, type of thing, just to get everybody in on the video, really, like. But as most of the time, it's just the person, the few bikes you can see in front of you. And I'm prattling on. That's why I turned it off before. We're not cops now, but we're quite high now as well. Again, I'm saying quite high. Where I live, pretty high actually. Like. But this is quite high here. I dropped down. I started dropping down from here. Not cops. What's up? Ministry of Defence, bloody wireless station. very interesting to see how much bloody wind noise I can hear on this, because I mean I can still hear it in the helmet, but hopefully it's not going to be as bad as what it is on the naked bikes. Never mind. That's the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the Mic 2 wireless microphone setup. No wires whatsoever to the camera. We're just entering Pontyland. Bubbly bubbly boom boom. Dodge the crappy roads. Roads are shite, like. Maybe she starts thinning out some bloody top brass from the bloody local councils. They might have some money to spend on the flipping roads. Just arriving at Gateshead Holiday Davidson now, so just after 11, like, so I think pretty, I don't know how many people will be here, if any. Oh, there's a few here. We're just about ready. I think we're just waiting for the hearse and what have you now. Paul's lost, right? That's all on my way.